Hello everybody, welcome to Analog Enthusiast. That's better. Hello everybody, and I'm going to restore this Brownie Reflex. And you may be asking why I have a knife. I don't have any flathead screwdrivers. That's why. And I already restored this model. This little Kodak Starlet Brownie, but I'm going to, in future videos, I'm going to be restoring these other two ones that I haven't restored yet. And a big video which I still am waiting for, like, screwdriver bits, because I need to, actually, I lost a bunch of bits in my Fix-It set. Yeah. And also, like, yeah, it's really messed up. It's like there, you may see like in the back, it's like, oh, it's a little rusty, not that bad. Yeah. So yeah, that's going to be a pretty big project. But we'll start off small with this little thing where let's just pop out this so you can see. See there? Like, lens is dirty. So I'm gonna just start with taking out this piece and like just wiping it down a little. Cause like I got this, it's like not, it was, I've already kind of cleaned this a little. There was a bunch of like white molds, question mark. But yeah, I'm gonna re-wipe it down. I have no idea what that was. And then just put it into the side. And use our knife to open this. One out, and now time for the other. This actually has a different bit. The top is different. This sticks up less for some reason. We can just take out the hair first. Yeah, see? It's different. Yeah. But now this. So I'm just going to, since I actually have the right screwdrivers for these, I'm going to use the right screwdriver and take one, and also take this little top that I took with those two flat heads that I took off with the knife. This one's being stubborn, that's probably because that is a little bit too big, but I have one that's probably way too small. Never mind, it's just the right size. I heard a click. I hope that wasn't something breaking. Yeah, now you can see it. That, like, sort of white stuff. And it's on there. Oh my god, it's... wait, no. I can't. family-friendly channel. We're trying to keep this channel family-friendly, and hopefully get monetized one day. But yeah, you can see all this like white moldish. I don't know if it's mold. Let's just take off this little one, this bracket holding this glass down. Here. This is the mechanism that locks and unlocks the thing. So we'll have to wipe it down, get some more IPA. I'm not talking about Indiana, whatever, the pale ale. Not that type of IPA. I don't care, I don't need to get this with a Q-tip. Yeah. And just get over there. Whoa, it turned yellow? Huh. That's weird. I guess kind of cool though. And clean up this. And this. Maybe just dump a little. Well, not dump a little. Soak it, and then kind of on there, and then move it back and forth, and yeah, it's way that moves way smoother than the beginning, and also you can kind of take off this strap. Take off these straps to clean up the corrosion on there. These two. Because yeah, you can see how the corrosion kind of like ate through the thing that held these two ropes together, kind of. Or strings. See on this one, it's missing this little clasp. On there. But in we go with some IPA. Honestly, probably just dunk it in there and then wipe it down. And get this, clean up this too.
Camera heaven?
I'm making a video. Yes, the clown said camera heaven, and I'm very excited. There's a Leica, but I'm probably gonna get it professionally restored, because I'm definitely I'm no professional. This is just a passion, and these are way simpler than Legos. I don't know if I can fix the rope on this. Like twisting-ish. But yeah, the rope is kind of okay, I guess. Well, let's just screw that back on. This one has, the screw is kind of stuck to the rope. So it's gonna be kind of difficult to keep this on camera. But I mean, I'll try. And then just use the knife to get it straight up. And there we go, we got one bit of it done. Can you twist it again to here, and here to straighten it to the best. Get it like here, and then just have it hold it like that. Oh yeah, I also need to wipe this down with some. Just wipe down this screw. Here and make sure it's facing out too. Just tight again, screw and the knife. There we go with this side of it. Now we gotta deal with this. Sorry. This is the shutter mechanism, which I'm gonna save for later. And I'm gonna bring this back into the mix again. Woohoo! Because I need to finish with this. I'm gonna throw that old paper towel away and get a new one and fold it up. And just nice, very visible, and just get nice. It's been kind of has been looks like it just pour it's kind of I need to get the thing really wet. Just get another one for the drying lamps. Right after the IP. Like that. That side looks good. We just need to get the corners Yeah, the corners need to work. One less corner, let me see. And it looks like this corner. Alright, this side's good. And this, like, cause what's with the fungus is... Alright. So this is perfectly clean now. I think I'm gonna need a... Wait, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a cloth. Okay, this is from my lens cleaning kit. I'm still a little bit gunked up from the fungus, but yeah, not fungus, mold a little. Actually, never mind. It looks perfect now. Okay, I guess. Mold 0, me 1. Clean out the frame for us. Clean this again and drop it in its frame. Get it all nice and snug. Wipe it off again. Yeah, it was like this. I'm just pushing it like that. Yeah, it looks so much better. Look at that. Wow. It's a really big improvement. And then a little bit more IP here. And clean off this little metal pusher thing. There. Oh, it goes the other way, so it actually pushes up. But it's much it doesn't. Okay. Okay, so I might have to put it in the wrong way, like this goes in first, and then, okay, there we go. it's not all the way in. Huh. What if I pushed? This is not a good idea. What if I push down? Went through with a little hairless and pushed down. Okay, it worked. And just do for a final touch. Do a little wipe off with the orange cloth. There. Have a little brush there. Now there's still some molds stuff on here. And then scrub off. The light's kind of gross. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. And oh, this isn't, yeah, it's not a glued mirror. That's good, because now I can fully scrub it up here. So I can get all of that mold. And scrub it all there. No, it should. No, it's not that clean enough. And just get in with a Q-tip. On the corners, we can maybe get like a bit more pressure in those spots and get off the mold stuff. Yeah. Alright, it's coming off nicely. Now just use the lens wipe for our mirror. Not too bad. Our mirror is looking good. Now, just clean. Okay, so there's a little bit of part. I could just use this paper towel that I was using for the lenses. And there. Right off at the sliping. Nope, that wasn't it. I think that's on the backing. But, okay. I'm just gonna slide this in without touching it with my bare hands. And wipe it off. And then do it this way. Get the mirror back in Not too bad. You can see it has a picture. I can wave my hand in front of it. It just doesn't have this lens here. I'm not sure I can take this lens actually off of the thing. Cause like it's really, cause you know you can see how it's like riveted. Riveted on. But yeah, I'm gonna just kind of get trim it as much as I can, like the Q-tip and the IPA, and get the corners off. Get the corners of this, and also rub off the whatever that more just gunk inside it, and get it all nice and clean. The shutter looks fine, but I can double check. Just take off that. Oh, it's still in bold. Let's just switch that around. Right? Okay, what if the shutter speed? It's not catching it. Okay. Alright, I need to just crack these screws open. There we go. These have never been open. You know when you hear that little crack noise when you first undo the screw in a long time. Yeah, this has never been touched since it was built, probably. And who would? Me. I'm sorry, I mean, dude, I have like a sore throat and stuff. It's like I sadly can't do my family voice. Sad. I can't look at the girl. Okay, so sad. But let's just take this off and clean it here. There's a little bit of rusting on it. It looks like the whatever mold has gotten into the lens that's on the camera.